Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our techies, and in this video I gonna show you how can you fix the forgotten pattern lock or password from your Moto devices. And this method will also work for hard resetting your Motorola device. And this will work on all the Motorola phones or Moto devices like Moto Z2, Moto Z3, Moto Z4, Moto Z4 Plus, Z5 in all the Motorola Z series phones, and it's also work with E series phones also. So first of all, and it also work with other phones which have a stock Android. So first of all, make sure your phone was completely off and the battery charge of the phone was above 50%, and then try this method. So first of all, turn it off and then hold the power button and volume down for 5 seconds, both at the same time, and then you will get this screen, that is a bootloader screen, and all the bootloader recovery mode you can select from with volume up and down key, that is factory mode, power mode, all this. Now in this method we required to select the recovery mode, so select it and press the power to make sure okay for that, and the phone will jump in the recovery mode. So here it is. So there is the a bot and there is no command, so you required to select it with pressing volume up key and the power key for 3 seconds. So and you will get this screen, that is reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB. So now from that you all knows that what is that you required to select wipe data and factory reset to reset the phone completely. So select it with the volume up and down key, and then here it is user data only and user data plus personalized content. It means user data only means it will format the all the settings of the phone, all the settings with means all the setting, and it will also reset your password of your phone. And with user data and content means it will format your all the everythings from your phone, so like photos, call records, messages, everything it will delete. So you can say it is like a soft reset and hard reset. So I did this soft reset here. I don't want to lose my data of phone, like photos, contacts, all these things. So that's why I did soft reset, but it will work to remove the settings. So here it is, and from here it requires 2 to 3 minutes to completely format this phone. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. In some phones it will also takes around 5 minutes to completely format this phone and to turn it get back to on. So now let's fast forward this video. Now it's completed after the 2 minutes. It's now the wipe data has been completely completed. So now just reboot this system and the phone will get back on. So here it is, and when it's you can see it's completed, then only you can reboot the system. So now you can reboot the system and the phone will get back on after like 3 to 4 minutes to completely get back on. So now again I'm going to fast forward this. So now the phone seems on, and so it's completely after 4 minutes 52 seconds after the phone completely seems like getting on. Now it's okay, here it is, the phone completely now on. So that's it. So here it is, the phone is completely on. So this is the way, in that way you can easily format your phone. And if your phone stuck on the FRP lock screen, then you can try the another video. You can also try the second step of the video, that is the link below the description. the video link below the description. Check it out there. It's very simple to bypass the FRP lock on Moto devices. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this. If you don't forget to like and subscribe this video.